kidding.
Yeah,
Oh no,
spreading,
I'm
yeah.
spreading.
Yeah,
I'm
spread.
spreading.
Okay, oh, more on that side. Right
There?
Okay, there.
I don't think it should be.
I'm George Lemissurier, publisher of The Olympian, and I'm here today with...
Thurston County Commissioner Kathy Wolf, and we're very glad that you joined this party to help us celebrate Together's 21st birthday.
Well, and we hope you watch this video. Take a few minutes to learn about the valuable program that Together offers in our community.
And we hope that you will help us make every child in this community feel supported, healthy, safe, and valued.
So join the party and throw a party.
I'm Jim Cooper, Executive Director at Together. I'm very proud of what Together does in our community to make sure that children and youth are supported, healthy, safe, and valued. Some of the ways that we do our work is through awareness, advocacy, and action. This is a comprehensive approach that allows us to evaluate the environment, find an issue, and react to it and make some change for the positive benefit of all involved. A great example is our recent work to reduce prescription abuse in Thurston County. We found that automobile accidents had been surpassed in Washington State as the #1 cause of death by prescription drug overdose. So we started talking to folks in the community, and through awareness we generated a coalition called the Thurston County Prescription Abuse Task Force, a broad coalition of county government, local community members, state government, the Department of Ecology, Public Health and Social Services, law enforcement, and started looking at the issue. We did a large media campaign across the community to tell people about the problem, and have started a program called RX360 to educate parents and family members about the dangers of prescription drugs, and essentially that they are just as dangerous as any other street drug. In the action that we're asking people to do around prescription drug abuse is to learn about the problem, to secure their medications, just like they would a loaded gun in their house. You wouldn't see a loaded gun without a trigger lock or being in a gun safe. So we ask people to secure and then monitor their medications, keep track of how many pills they have. When they refill a prescription, keep count, so that way they know that if people are accessing their pills for the wrong reasons, they can keep track of that. I want to talk a little bit about advocacy, because that's a really strong place that we work to find policy places in the community that can help make change for all. And so we've been working hard on policy issues around prescription drop boxes. We're also working with the legislature to advocate for programs like this around Washington State, as well as to advocate for hopefully someday a system in our state that tracks prescription drugs in every pharmacy and every hospital in our state, so that we know where they are and we know when they're being abused.
Hi, my name is Megan Sullivan, and I'm the Community Mobilization Director at Together. As a graduate of Tumwater High School, I'm excited to be here to tell you about the Social Norms campaign here in Tumwater School District. Through an online survey taken during class time, Tumwater High School students answer questions about their substance use and beliefs. The data is then used to develop posters that send healthy norms and normalize healthy behaviors. Each month, students put up new posters ensuring the messages stay fresh and relevant. Here's a poster showing that most Tumwater High School students prefer to date students who don't use alcohol, tobacco, or marijuana. This poster increases student perceptions of peer disapproval and risk. After 1 year of running this campaign at Tumwater High School, Black Hills has decided to join and run the campaign as well. Each campaign runs for 2 years, using new data gathered every
Hello, my name is Heidi Dupre. I'm a program assistant with Together. My main project that I've been working on is the Community Assessment Project, as known as CAP. CAP uses youth and adult volunteers to help gather information on tobacco and alcohol advertisements that may appeal to youth, and product placements within Thurston County convenience stores. The information that we gathered from CAP is used to educate retailers, policymakers, and community members to reduce the exposure of tobacco and alcohol ads, and educate retailers about laws helping to reduce youth access. Here's a poster that we have created to help retailers check IDs. Information gathered through CAP was also used to help Liquor Control Board limit the number and size of alcohol ads.
Hello,
My name is Jesse Upton. I'm a program manager here at Together. Over the past couple of years, I've been the advisor of SPLAT, which stands for Students Protesting Lies About Tobacco. SPLAT is a coalition of teens from across Thurston County working to educate all who are affected from tobacco. When I was in high school, I was able to be a youth volunteer with SPLAT, and I have the opportunity to be the mentor for the volunteers. SPLAT is very active in the policy advocacy. Every year we coordinate Policy Maker Education Day, or PMED. It's where we invite youth coalitions like ours from across Washington State here to Olympia to educate and meet with their elected officials to educate them on the effects of secondhand smoke and what the tobacco prevention program does in the local communities. At the local level, SPLAT in the years past, SPLAT has worked with the cities of Olympia and Tumwater to educate the parks boards about the effects of secondhand smoke and to get them to adopt tobacco-free parks policies. SPLAT also takes advantages of opportunities as they arise. When Intercity Transit was looking to create tobacco-free policies, SPLAT provided education and testimony in support of the policy, which ended up passing. And here's Chelsea, one of our SPLAT members.
Hi, my name is Chelsea Saglio. I go to North Thurston High School and I'm a part of SPLAT, or also known as Students Protesting Lies About Tobacco. Our mission statement is to promote healthy lives by informing and helping all who are affected by tobacco. I joined SPLAT. First I joined SPLAT because my cousin was doing it before me, and then I needed service hours. So I'm like, okay, this sounds like fun. And then after a while I was just like, oh, I think I'm going to keep doing this after I'm done. And it's helped me a lot because everybody in my family smokes. And when I mean everybody, I mean all the adults in my family smoke. There's maybe one or two people in my adult family that doesn't smoke. And it's kind of scary to think about it because my mom's really sick, really sick, and my dad's fine, and just it's confusing. My grandpa's really sick, and I'm just like, well, maybe I could help somebody out, you know, since I can't really get my parents and my family to stop since they've been doing it so long. I'm trying, and they've all listened to me because I've gone through all the stuff that I've learned with them, and maybe I want to use the knowledge I have to maybe help somebody else to stop smoking or to not start smoking, especially the younger kids and the teenagers and people who are more likely to start smoking.
Right now they're playing a game that's called Medic Warball, and it's just basically like a dodgeball game, and so whenever they get hit they have to go down, and if they hit any...
Where's Thomas? Go! I got tape in my mouth.
I came here since I was very little, and I just started volunteering just a couple of weeks ago.
Well, I've been coming here since I was in 3rd grade, and now I'm in 11th grade, so like 8 years. And yeah, for a while. Drug-free, just a place for them to hang out so they don't get into trouble.
Sir, how long have you been in this program? 6 years. And how do you like this program?
It's awesome, and it's awesome to be here with all my friends and play with them, play at the center, Brenda and all them. I like pool, this game, what's it called?
Medic Warball.
Medic Warball, ping pong, basketball.
Homework.
And homework. They help me a lot on it. And it's fun to play with the grown-ups.
Fun here. I love Brenda when she has fun games, and I just love all my friends.
So now that you've had a chance to learn about a few of our programs, I have to let you know that this barely scratches the surface to how Together's programs benefits the community because of people like you. You've had a chance to see some of what we do, and we hope that you'll take this opportunity to invest in the future of children and youth in Thurston County. Your investment will go far to ensure that the children and youth of Thurston County have the healthiest and safest place to grow up and live in Washington State.